It's the next morning, and we're about to go to C-Day brunch. Kind of a little tired, but we're up and about. It's going to be a C-Day today, so we'll do C-Day brunch, and then we'll get into some different things. No busy C-Day brunch as usual. Really had some good stuff in here. I don't know if I'm going to get yet. I think I'm going to try something a little different. Alright guys, we're at Guys, and I just got my Guys, which I'll put it in there because I don't feel like looking down. I got chicken and Dewey sausage, beef, pulled pork, some greens, some mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is not, just needs some salt and pepper, but the greens are very flavored. The chicken is great. The beef is okay, but the pork butt is right on point. So that's actually really good. And I got some slaw too. And it's homemade slaw. So it's pretty decent. So guys, Pig and Anchor is hitting right now. We're at lunchtime. I don't know about dinner. I think Dee Dee and them is going to try to see about the trash can nachos and different things. When I went out there, they didn't say anything about it. So I guess we'll see if they can find us. Maybe I didn't ask the right person. But we'll keep you guys posted.
So we are back at Guys, what's this called? Pig and Anchor, whatever. It was equally as bad this time as it was on Mardi Gras.
It was okay. The greens was good. The mac and cheese sucked. The pulled pork was good. So I give it a 6 out of 10. I give it a
The meat is okay. Okay. The greens weren't terrible. They were a little spicy. This mac and cheese is terrible. They might as well put Kraft macaroni and cheese is better than this.
Right now, guys, we are bar hopping. We just got back from the Golden Jubilee. Excuse me, pardon me. Now we're at the Alchemy Bar, which we haven't checked it out. It's one of those bars that's on every Carnival ship, so we really hadn't been here, but they have a bunch of the classics and stuff. So we are here, and it is crowded, but it's a C-Day, so this should be expected. And it's on the 7th floor near Limelight. And as you can see right down at the bottom down there, is Latitude's Bar. And right up under us, is Emerald's. So I think it's mid ship. About to get a couple of drinks, keep kind of chilling. The ladies are enjoying themselves, and that's all that really matters, right? Talk to you guys in a little while.
What's the next one? Alceto! Movimiento! Drink up, everybody! Salud!
This is on 4-6. This is pretty cool. Then you have the different 1970 is there, 1980. Porthole, and this is telling each one. It's pretty cool little fun facts and stuff. There's some more of the portholes. So I guess you got just like little parts of different ships. Red Frog, we all know that. And this is Carnival Jubilee today. Alright, got another towel. I think that's an elephant. Yeah, I guess so. All right, back in the room, about to get ready for Elegant Night. I think this is the second Elegant Night. This will be steak and lobster. So we're gonna see how it's good. The last time it wasn't as good because on the sailing we have 2 Elegant Nights. So hopefully this time it's a little better. So we'll get back to you guys a little later. I think we'll do a comedy show today after dinner. So we'll see. Alright, we're waiting on Dee Dee, but everybody dressed for Elegant Night. We actually got something decent on today. 2 days after cruise, we make sure we're wearing something pretty good.
Hey, this is guy 2, so it's not rated R. 13. Okay, what's his name? Oh, hold up, I got one right.
Alright, it's the last sea day, or the last day period. We are heading to Boulevard to get a breakfast burrito because we hadn't actually had one this time, so we want to make sure we get one before we get off of there. And today's gonna be another chill day, so may not be a long video. We will let you in on some of the cool stuff that we do. All right, it is late afternoon, and we're about to meet everybody on the Lido deck. I think they playing some Uno. Give me something to eat. Maybe something to drink. I don't know yet. All right, we're heading in. Hot out inside. It is warm outside. It's still out there in the heat. We decided we're gonna come into the air. We're gonna find us a nice little place to chill. Kick back on this last day before we have to head back to reality. Well, I just checked us in to Cucina del Capitan, which I guess is backwards for you guys, which is the Italian restaurant. This will be our first time on Celebration, actually going to it. It'll be Mason's first time ever. So we'll see how it goes. I remember last time it was all right. So hopefully it's pretty good this time also. Looks like we're having a party. Having a party right now. Doing a good job. Gotta keep talking so we won't get hit. I can't get any closer. It's our last night, last bar run. We got one of our favorite bartenders, Candace. She's been taking care of us. Listen, man, we've had a ball. If you want us to help you and your family to have fun, as much fun as we did on a celebration or the Mardi Gras, we're the people to help you with the time and the money.
I need to do it before and after.
Before and after. No. Hey, I have a link in the description below. Just hit us up. We're ready to help serve. Peace.